Hey everyone, good morning. It's 2025. Actually, it's afternoon, but whatever. So this is my wife's 2010 Toyota Venza. These are still the factory headlights. They're just getting a little bit foggy. I've cleaned them several times before. I have a product that's not sponsored, but I would love it if you guys would, because I need a new can. This is Flitz metal, plastic, and fiberglass polish and paint restore. It's by Flitz. So this stuff is awesome. Give me one sec. Erin was asking me if it was a possibility. She saw on Facebook or something that someone treated the lenses with WD-40 and it restored them. I've done a little research and looked it up. It kind of gets it wet, and so the nasty kind of blurs away. And then when it dries, it comes right back. It doesn't actually get rid of it. This stuff, the last time I did these was 6 or 7 years ago. So we got this container of Flitz many years ago at the Del Mar Fair. It's one of the county state fairs in California. And now I'm in Tennessee, so I have no idea if they're in business still or if I can even still get it. But I worked years ago on one of my neons on the headlight, and using a polishing compound, I literally worked on it for, 40 minutes before it started to kind of break through. It had developed almost an eggshell thick coating of grime on the headlights and been baked on from the heat of the bulb. And it was damn near impossible. I finally did get through it, but that sucked. This stuff is amazing. So I'll show you how much of a difference it is right after I get done. I do have a polishing ball, a little bit old, but I'm going to work on it in just a second. I just want to get it thoroughly coated kind of all over. This is also a paint protectant, so if you get it up on the hood like I did, or down on the bumper, it's really not that big of a deal. It's not going to hurt it in any way, shape, or form. So that's the one kind of nice thing. You don't have to be quite so terrified of getting it all over. And that's one benefit I've seen. Most headlight restoration kits and stuff, you have to tape and try and protect your paint of the hood and everything else. But doing this every blue moon to try and kind of restore your headlights is way, way, way more better than trying to spend the time to take the stupid headlights off. I've never tried to take the headlights off on the Venza. I don't know if they would just come out easy. I know on my neon there's a bolt kind of back here behind the headlight underneath. All the rest of the hardware is up on top. But I really don't want to take the bumper and everything else off to get these headlights off, because these headlights are kind of huge. But I don't know if you guys can kind of tell already the big difference. But I'm going to go ahead and bust in. When I opened up the can, it had separated because, like I said, the product is old for me. It had separated. I took a screwdriver and kind of stirred it up. It's still kind of separating. It's kind of nasty. But I wiped it off the screwdriver, and so there wasn't very much. I put it on the other headlight, and it just in a few seconds it cleaned quite a bit off. I was like, wow. So let me go ahead and put some more on here. I really don't want to wear the Flitz, so I'm going to try and go real slow, add on the polish, but I really don't want to fling it all over the place. The only problem with these polishing balls like this is once you use them, even if you wash them, the grime and the stuff doesn't really completely come out of them. And then it makes them, dries on and it's hard and crusty. And that just sounds really dirty and inappropriate, sorry. But that's the best way to describe. Oops. This one must be dirtier than the other side. Like I said, I literally just wiped what was on the paper towel off the screwdriver, and it already looked like it was doing a better job on that side. But that's okay. And the good benefit is my wife does not watch my channel. So even if I post this up, she's out of town right at the moment. But she's been complaining about her light output. I had a light bar that I put on her car and on my neon. Hers went crap about a year ago. And so I took the one out of my neon because it was parked for it. It still is parked. And that's one of my other projects I need to get done. But I took it out, and it's the one that I put in here from the neon has already gone bad too. Sounds like a helicopter. Oh, yep, and these things are old, so they're falling apart. Oh well, it's okay. Just need to do this job. They can go in the trash. I'll get another one. Oh, you know what? That's funny. Yeah, these are old too. It's the original Flitz ball. So this is actually an accompanying product. All right, wow. This really throws this stuff all over the place, doesn't it? I will tell you what, the clear coat is starting to fail on her hood, and it's starting to look kind of nasty. This is supposed to be a paint protectant, so I'll go ahead and put a little bit on the clear coat spots and hit that with the Flitz ball and see if it makes any difference. I guarantee you that would make her ecstatic to come home and have a really nice looking car again. So you are not supposed to let this stuff dry on, okay? So probably not also supposed to do it in the super cold. Unfortunately, it's super cold here, so I can't really do anything about that. But it is a polish. You do need to work it in.